The References feature in Word allows you to keep track of the sources you consult while writing and makes it easier to insert a citation in a document. In this lesson, we'll add new reference sources and we'll insert citations that credit the sources. In the first paragraph of our report, there's some statistics for which we need to provide a source. When we're finished, we'll have added this citation. A citation gives credit to the source for a quotation or other information used in a document. Citations often include the name of the author of the source and a page number. And before we inserted this citation, we need to enter details about the source publication. So let's get started. I'm first going to open up my Healthy Traveler document. I'm going to place the insertion point just before the period at the end of the first paragraph. I'm going to go up to the References tab, and in the Citations and Bibliography group, I'm going to click the Style List drop-down. I want to make sure that I'm choosing the correct style. There are a number of different styles for formatting sources and citations, and we'll use the one recommended by the Modern Language Association. So I'm going to click on MLA 6th edition. Notice there are two different editions, but I'm choosing the 6th. I'll click the Insert Citation button after it's processed. When I click the Insert Citation button, I get a list of sources that were already used in the document. I could choose that, but the source we need is not listed, so I'm going to click on Add New Source. Here in the Create Source dialog box, I'll click the type of source list. I'm going to click on Report. I'm going to click on Corporate Author, which is used to indicate the name of a company or organization, and then I'm going to actually enter the information for my source. So the corporate author is World Tourism Organization. So I type that in. Once I've actually done that, I'm also going to click on, after I've done that, I'll click on OK. And the citation, World Tourism Organization, appears at the end of the paragraph. Because the source we added is a print publication, we need to also include a page number. So I'm going to actually click on the citation to select it. I'm going to click the drop-down arrow for the citation options. And now what I need to do is click Edit Citation, and I'm going to add a page of 19, and I'm going to click OK. So page 19 is now added to the actual citation. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to scroll down a bit, and I'm going to place my insertion point at the end of this quotation. Then I'll go up to the Insert Citation button. I'm going to click that, and I'm actually going to choose the source that I just added, World Tourism Organization, and I'm going to click on that, and now my citation is added. We don't need the actual page number here because our source is a website. Now I'm going to scroll down to the bottom of page 2. And the way I know it's page 2, I see page 2 right there. We want to add a citation for the information in our table. So I'll click below the table, and I'm going to turn on my paragraph marks so it makes it a little bit easier to see where I'm at. I click below the table, and I'm going to type in source and a colon. I'm going to select that information. I'm going to make that word italic. And now what I want to do is right after the source, I'm going to click, and I'm going to go up to Insert Citation button again on the References tab. And for this, I'm actually going to click on the option that's here for Johnson, comma, Margaret, advice for international travels. And what that does, it adds that citation at the bottom of the page. What I want to do is click and choose the citation options, and I'm going to edit my citation, and I'm going to say it's on page 55. Then I'm going to actually click OK to add the page number. To try these steps yourself and for some additional tips, check out your textbook.